Do you know how the startups like Zomato, Ola got crores before profit? If your answer is no, then let me explain the concept of the venture capital. Here first I'll explain why venture capital started its existence. So usually bank invest in a safe businesses and startup are risky, they have no profit, no asset, so obviously bank will not invest and that's how venture capital started. Now the structure of the venture capital, so usually venture capital raise fund from institutional investors like pension fund, sovereign wealth fund and family offices and invest those money in the startup. So here investor is called as limited partners LP and the venture capital firm is called as GP general partner. Venture capital raise money from institutional investor, that is from limited partners, and invest those money in a startup. So the venture capital is called general partners who manage the fund and once they invest in a startup, in return they take the equity. Now coming to the pay structure, venture capital get 2% management fee each year from the fund. And if venture capital cross the benchmark decided by the limited partner, then they'll get 20% of that profit that called a carried interest.